In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Firefly's AI to a Google Meet. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to invite the Firefly's assistant so it can automatically join your meeting and capture notes and transcripts without extra clicks on your part. Start by opening Google Calendar. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile app, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that will host the meeting, since Fireflies needs the official calendar invite to know when and where to join. Next, create a new meeting or open an existing event you want Fireflies to attend. Give it a clear title, pick the correct date, and start time, and double-check the time zone if you work across regions. Add your agenda or any details in the description to help your team stay on track. If you haven't added a conferencing link yet, click to add Google Meet so the event has a Meet URL. You can use this process for one-time meetings or recurring series. Fireflies will follow the schedule on your calendar. In the Add Guests field, invite the official Fireflies guest address associated with your account. This is the unique email Fireflies uses to join as a participant, just like a colleague would. You'll find the correct address in your Fireflies account or help documentation. Be sure to type it accurately and avoid sharing this address publicly to keep your workspace secure. Treat this like inviting any other attendee. Once it's on the guest list, Fireflies will get the event details and join at the right time. Now click Save. If Google Calendar asks whether to send invitations or updates to guests, choose to send them. That's how Fireflies receives the event on its end. If you edit the meeting later, like changing the time, send the update again so Fireflies stays in sync. That's it. At the scheduled time, Fireflies will automatically join your Google Meet as a participant and begin capturing the conversation. You don't need to press anything during the call. If your organization uses waiting rooms or host controls, make sure external guests can be admitted so the assistant isn't blocked. It's a good practice to let attendees know a note-taking assistant is present, and to review any compliance requirements your team follows. To recap, open Google Calendar, create or edit your meeting, add the Fireflies guest address as a participant, then save and send the invite. With that, you've set Fireflies to join your Google Meet right on schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy meetings.